Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make 4 easy mug cake recipes. The flavors are vanilla, mango, chocolate and Oreo. The first few ingredients of all of them are same, only the special ingredients are different. It's a microwave oven recipe. You can make it within 2 minutes. So let's start making the mug cakes. 3 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons milk, 3 tablespoons melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence, a pinch of salt and some sprinkles. The basic ingredients are same for mango mug cake. In addition, I have added mango essence and mango pieces. For chocolate cake, additionally, I am adding chocolate powder. For Oreo cake, I am adding Oreo pieces. After adding all the ingredients, let's mix the batter. While mixing, be careful there should not be any lumps. The vanilla mixture is now ready. Now we will bake it in the oven for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll mix the mango mug cake. Now I am going to bake this cake. Let us mix the chocolate cake now. The chocolate mug cake batter is now ready and I am going to bake it in the oven. Let us mix the Oreo biscuit cake. The Oreo mug cake batter is ready. I will bake it in the oven. The cakes have been baked and cooled. I am going to decorate the vanilla cake with some whipping cream. Next, for mango mug cake, I am going to decorate with mango pieces. For the chocolate cake, I am going to decorate it with some powdered sugar. First, let me try the vanilla mug cake. The mango cake, the chocolate cake. This is my favorite cake. Next is Oreo cake. This cake is also very good. All cakes taste very good, but my favorite is chocolate cake and I think my friends will also like it. It is very easy to make. It only takes 2 minutes in the microwave. All of you should try at home and comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.